SiGMA presents Business to Government. In this episode, we speak with Onorevole Alessandro Battilocchio, member of the Italian Chambers of Deputies, a vocal advocate for innovation and digital transformation. Onorevole Battilocchio expresses his support for the upcoming SiGMA Europe Summit, taking place this November in Rome.
Yeah, it's very important, and of course, this is a very particular year for Rome, for Italian capital city, because it's a jubilee year, and unfortunately, we had in last weeks the loss of our Pope. So it's a very particular year, but I should say that the presence of this event is of course very welcome and very important, because it's going to bring more people in our capital city, and furthermore it's another opportunity to show our capital to people. In tourism area, in tourism activities, Italy is very well performing, but I think we should keep working on the organization of events like this that can be important in order to have a stronger and stronger image of our country. So I hope that this could be an occasion to show the city, and to have the opportunity to have people involved in what is taking place in the city, because coming to Rome is an experience, because you come inside the history. So I think we should keep working on this field, and we should keep promoting such events. Yeah, it depends on the parliament agenda, but I really hope to come and visit.
Italy is preparing to welcome global leaders in gaming, tech, and policy this November in Rome.